Happy New Year. Right now, this is kind of an update on my training and life, kind of. I've been, I'm actually recovering from really, I worked a warehouse job, like a really physically demanding job. It was overnight and full time, and that was really intense, and my training suffered, obviously, because it's just I tried to figure out how to find the right balance between work and training and just life, and it just wasn't working out. Um, so I'm transitioning to another job, so hopefully that gets better. So my training suffered. Right now I'm working on mobility because I found out that I cannot squat really how I want to safely, and I I just really like mobility, so that's why I'm trying to rebuild my squat and other lifts, but mostly my squat. And also diet-wise, for the moment, I'm switching to one meal a day, and I've gained about 20 pounds in a few months, and I would like to lose them as soon as possible, but obviously it's going to take some time. But I estimate that I would like to lose about 20 pounds, so that's something else on my mind right now. So, again, Happy New Year 2019.